everyone. Today I am going to start with the lesson. First, the sentences. What are sentences? A sentence is a group of words that makes a complete sense. Again I repeat, it's a group of words that makes a complete sense. Example, you see the boys are shouting loudly. It makes a sense. So sentence क्या है? It's a group of words. Okay, total जितना सारा group of words है together it piled up and it makes a complete sense. The boys are shouting loudly. This particular sentence makes a sense. Next क्या है? A phrase. A phrase is a group of words that doesn't make a complete sense. Meaning तो होता है, but the thing is this, it doesn't make a complete sense. So what is a phrase? A phrase is a group of words that doesn't make a complete sense. Now, in the sentence, for example, in the park, at the basement, or something like that, when we are talking about since 2008. So these are the words where we use, these are called the sentences. So sentence क्या है? A sentence is a group of words that makes a complete sense at the same time. Example here, even you can see the example. The sun rises in the east. Sun definitely will rise in the east. The sun rises in the east. It's absolutely correct. पूरा सही है. The sun तो east में rise होता है ना. What is a phrase? A phrase is a group of words. Phrase क्या? Group of words है. And it doesn't make a complete sense. It doesn't make a complete sense. Example देखो in the park. अगर मैं sentence में लिख दूँ that he is playing in the park, तो this he is playing in the park अगर मैं total बोल दूँ that makes a sense. But अगर मैं बोल दूँ in the park at the basement, okay, since 2014, since 1998. These are the words. अगर मैं बोल दूँ that particular word, अगर मैं इतना तक बोल के लीव कर दूँ, it doesn't make any sense. अगर मैं इतना बोल के मैं लीव कर दूँ, it doesn't make any sense. So difference between sentence and phrase is that sentence क्या है? एक particular straight sentence आता है जहाँ पे total meaning clear हो जाते हैं, and the phrases are those words which doesn't make any complete sense. Now come sentences. Sentences are of basically 5 types. There are 5 types of sentence, but in your class you have to read only 4 types of sentences. क्या क्या? Assertive or declarative sentence. Assertive sentence क्या है? Assertive sentence are the straight sentence. Okay, for example, you see the sun shines brightly. Okay. So this is an assertive sentence. Straight sentence with a full stop at the end. Again I repeat, straight sentence with a full stop at the end is called an assertive sentence. But अगर मैं declarative sentence बोलूँ, it declares something. ये कुछ declare करते. These are the things which declare something. So these type of sentences, for example, you can say that tomorrow will be a party, for example. Okay, so I have declared something. Or you can say our Prime Minister declared that there would be lockdown till end of this month. Again I repeat, our Prime Minister declared that there will be a lockdown till the end of this month. So declared, the word declare has come. So here it is called the declarative sentence. If I will say that next week there will be a test, so I have declared something. मैंने कुछ declare कर दिया. So that's why it is called a declarative sentences. Assertive sentence क्या है? The sun shines in the east. The sun rises in the east. The sun rises in the west and all. So sets in the west. So these are the sentences. Today we are very happy and all. So this type of sentences are called the assertive sentence. Straight sentence with a full stop at the end. Again I repeat, straight sentence with a full stop at the end. Next comes imperative sentence. Imperative sentences are those sentences where we use the words like the advise, request, order, command. Again I repeat, advice, request, order, command. Advice, who can, कौन advice दे सकते हैं? Doctors can advise you, teachers can advise you, and elders can advise you. Again I repeat, doctors can advise you, teachers can advise you, and elders can advise you. Request sentence में हमेशा कौन सा word use होता है? Please. Again I repeat, please words use होते हैं with the request sentence. Order. Who can order you? 2-3 people can order you. Your elders can order you. Your teachers can order you. So get out, go there, stand there, eat food. These are the order. Command can, who can command you? Command can be given by the officers can command you. The army officers, the navy officers are so many people, and the police can also command you. The judge can command you. Judge can give you orders also. Again I repeat, you see. Now see, even the judge can also order you. Okay, but more than judge orders, it commands. Again I repeat. Imperative sentences में क्या है? 4 types है. First one is that advice. Who advise you? Teacher can advise you. The best part. Teacher तुम्हें advice दे सकते हैं. Second advice दे सकते हैं कौन है? Your elders. That means your parents, your grandparents, your uncle, your aunt, etc. etc. Next comes who can advise you? Doctor. Doctor advise या suggestion. सलाह दे सकते हैं तुम्हें. Advice भी दे सकते हैं and all. And suggestion भी दे सकते हैं. So these are given by these 3 persons: doctors, teachers, elders. Next comes imperative sentence. Imperative sentences are those sentences where we are using the word please. Example देखो, for example, you people are going out of the class sometimes for drinking water or something like that. That time what you do? Please may I go there? Please may I sit with you? Could you please help me? तो ये जो please word आता है, ये जो please word आता है, it proves that you are requesting someone. जो please word आता है, it proves that you are requesting someone. So that is why it is called a requesting imperative sentence with the request. Next comes exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentences gives us ideas and thoughts. Okay, ideas, thoughts, feelings, ये बोलने के लिए होते हैं. Ideas देते हैं, कभी thoughts देते हैं, feelings देते हैं. For example, thoughts और feelings something like that. Okay, example क्या है देखो, कोई से भी exclamatory sentences में क्या होते हैं? We are using the word wow. देखो exclamation mark. That means wow किस चीज़ के लिए बोलते हैं? Wow हम लोग बोलते हैं when we are too happy to see anything. किसी को praise कर रहे हो, किसी को तुम तारीफ कर रहे हो. That time you will say, wow, what a wonderful painting. Wow, what a good food. Wow. Next comes the word alas. Alas कब use होते हैं? When we are sad. That time we will use the word alas. Next comes the word ah. This is also when we are sad. और एक word आते हैं oh, oh, like that for the oh. That means also when you are praising someone or something like that. Next comes the word bravo. Bravo कब use होते हैं? Bravo use होते हैं किसी को तारीफ कर रहे हो. That time we will use the word bravo. Okay. Ouch कब use होते हैं? Ouch is used when we are talking about. You can say ouch is used when we are getting pain. Pain मतलब दर्द में. Oh, ouch! I fall down. Ouch! I cut my finger. Ouch! It pains very badly on my leg. So these are the words we are using for exclamatory sentence. Last but not the least is the interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentences are those which gives you a question. A question type of sentence with a question mark at the end. इसमें क्या होते हैं देखो? WH word होते हैं. How आता है और कोई भी helping verb use होता है. Again I repeat, WH word आता है, how आता है और कोई भी helping verb we are using. Example देखो, where are you going? What's the matter? Whom are you talking to? Which is your favorite movie? How? How are you? Helping verb. Are you still annoyed with me? Why are you going to play tomorrow? देखो ये सब जो वर्ड्स है, but at the same time इन सब उसके बाद एक question mark will be there at the end. Now, see what is it? Sentences क्या है? Sentences are the group of words. Very good. But it makes the complete sense. So sentence definition, if you will be asked, what are sentences? A sentence is a group of words which makes a complete sense. Clear? Example, any XYZ example you can give. मैंने तो ये example दिया, but you can give any XYZ example. The boys are playing, they are shouting, we are enjoying our holidays. Tomorrow is Sunday. We can go and play in the park. Anything you can use this thing. Phrase क्या है? A phrase is a group of words that doesn't make a complete sentence का तो meaning होता है, but it doesn't make a complete sense. अगर मैं ऐसे बोल दूँ since 2008 at the park, in the garden, okay, beside me, it doesn't make any sense. तो से इसमें क्या है? Phrases में meaning complete नहीं होती है, but in sentence it makes a complete meaning पूरा आ जाता है. अब sentences क्या है? How many types of sentences are there? Basically there are 5 types of sentences. For you only 4 are there. क्या क्या है? Assertive और declarative sentence. Assertive sentence क्या है? एक straight sentence है. The sun rises in the east. हो गया? He went to school yesterday. I am enjoying my holidays. Day after tomorrow will be a party. हो गया? Declarative sentence means what? It declares something. Assertive sentence क्या होता है? It states something. किसी चीज को state करते हैं. It states something. Okay? But declarative sentence, it declares something. Next week there will be a test. Tomorrow you just join the morning classes. Okay? So these things, when you are declaring something, that time we will use the word declarative sentences. Next comes what? Interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence में क्या होता है? It asks a question. It asks a question. क्या question पूछते हैं? Question with what? Question with WH word. What? Which? Who? Whom? Whose? What? Which? Who? Whom? Whose? The 5 things say we are questioning. How? Also there. And one extra thing is there. That is the helping verb. Are you going there? Will you come and meet me? Shouldn't you play today? Will you be going to attend the party? In these all sentences with a question mark at the end is called an interrogative sentence. Next comes imperative sentence. Imperative sentences are those sentences where we get the words suggestion or advice, request, order or command. These 5 types of sentences are the imperative sentences. Suggestion or advice, request, order and command. So this is the first one, this is the second one, this is the third one and this is the fourth one. So advice, who can advise you? Doctor can advise you or suggest you. Teachers can advise you or suggest you. And elders can also advise you and suggest you. Next comes request. Request किस चीज में होते हैं? Please words में. When we are using the word please. Please. Okay. Suggestion में क्या होता है? Doctor क्या बोलते हैं? Go and take some medicines. Okay. You can say take rest. Suggestion, advice. You should work hard to get full marks. These all are the advice or the suggestion. Next comes request. Request में हमेशा we will use the word please. कैसे आता है? Please you help me in studies. Please could you give me a cup of tea? Could you please open the window? So these are all the requesting words. Next comes order. Who can order you? Teachers can order you. Please to request तो कोई से भी कर सकते. It's not a thing that nobody can do. Each and every individual can you can do request to every individual. Order. Who can order you? Elders can order you. How elders can order you? Get out. Go there. Teachers can also order you. Go there. Sit there. Okay. Stand out of the class. Move out right now. So these are the words of the order. Now comes the command. Who can command you? Officers can command you. Judge can command you. Police officers can command you. Halt! Shouted the officer to his men. They will command. Call the witness right now. The judge said. Command. So these are the words for command. Next comes, last but not the least, is exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentences क्या करते हैं? It states the ideas, thoughts, feelings or so. Wow, what a beautiful painting. Wow, it's gorgeous dress. Ouch, I got hurt. देखो ये जो वर्ड, हर वर्ड के बाद एक एक्सक्लेमेशन मार्क इज मैंडेटरी. एक्सक्लेमेटरी सेंटेंस सक्सीड है, इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंस सक्सीड है. With these words, we will use the word exclamatory sign. Okay, we will use ouch, oh, wow, alas. Alas में क्या होता है? When people are very sad, that time they use the word alas. Alas, he is no more. Ah, he is no more. दोनों में दुख भरी कहानी आ जाती है. That time we will use the word alas. Wow, praising. What a gorgeous dress. What a gorgeous necklace. Wow, what a great food. दूसरा और भी आता है देखना. यहाँ पे yummy और yum. हम लोग जब delicious food में बोलते हैं yum और yummy. Okay, that time we will also use the words it tastes good. So that time we will also use the word exclamatory sentences. Now, more are there? Okay. Apart from this, we have two sentences, that is negative sentence and affirmative sentence. मैं सब लिख दे रही हूँ, but we will go to do it afterwards. Negative sentence and affirmative sentence. Negative sentence में क्या है? Negative sentence, sorry, first we will do the affirmative sentence. Affirmative sentences meaning क्या है? Affirmative sentences are those sentences where we use the word the positive sentence. Yes sentences are called the affirmative sentences and negative sentences are called the no sentence. Okay, again I repeat, yes sentences are called the affirmative sentence and no sentences are called the negative sentence. Yes sentence क्या है? The sun rises in the east. Very good, it is absolutely true. Affirmative sentence. If I will say he can't go to play outside. देखो can't, ये जो word cannot, ये जो word है cannot, do not, कोई सा भी word के बाद not या no when we are using, that is called an affirmative negative sentence. Again I repeat, जिस particular word के साथ we will use not and no, that is called a negative sentence. Again I repeat, इसके अलावा भी दो सेंटेंस और है, एक अफर्मेटिव है, नेगेटिव सेंटेंसेस. अफर्मेटिव सेंटेंसेस आर द स्ट्रेट एंड यस सेंटेंस. स्ट्रेट सेंटेंस, यस सेंटेंस, दैट इज कॉल्ड एन अफर्मेटिव सेंटेंस. नेगेटिव सेंटेंसेस क्या है? नेगेटिव सेंटेंसेस आर द नो सेंटेंस. नो सेंटेंस इन द सेंस दैट नेगेटिव, नो, नेवर. ओके, ही डजंट केयर अबाउट एनीवन. Why didn't you go to visit the park yesterday? Okay, these all are the never he sings properly. Yes, he can sing properly. So these are all the affirmative sentence. So overall, फिर से last time I am just repeating, sentences क्या? Sentences makes a complete sense. A phrase cannot make a complete sense. It makes a sense but not a complete sense. 4 types of sentences are there: assertive or declarative, imperative, exclamatory, interrogative. 4 are there. Assertive sentence, it states something. Okay, straight sentence with a full stop. Declarative sentence, it declares something. Interrogative sentence, it asks a question with a question, WH word, who, whom, whose, which, what. WH word with a question mark at the end. Next comes what? Next comes how and all the helping words. Okay, done. Next comes what? Next is done. Apart from that, next is imperative sentence. Imperative sentences are those sentences which tells us about the command, order, request, and also you can say order, request, command, suggestion, advice. Okay, suggestion or advice who can give you? Doctors can give you suggestion or advice, teachers can give you suggestion or advice. Next comes order. Who can order you? Your teachers can order you, your elders can order you. Okay. Next comes what? Next comes is a requesting sentence, or the pleasing sentences are the request sentence. Exclamatory sentences are those sentences where we use the words ideas, thoughts and feelings are attached with it. Okay, are there. For example, exclamation with an exclamatory mark. Exclamatory sentences can like oh when we are praising someone. Okay, then we are using the like wow praise kar rahe ho. Alas जब दुखी हो या sad. Okay, sad. Oh when you praising someone or something like that. And ouch किसी दर्द में pain में. Apart from that, two things are there, that is negative and affirmative sentence. Affirmative sentence are the positive sentence. Yes sentences are called the affirmative sentence. And negative sentences are those that is called the no sentences are called the negative sentences. So the thing is this, what you go through these things and all, and today you will be provided with some notes. You will going to jot down in your grammar notebook. You will going to copy it down properly in your grammar notebook with a black pen. The heading should be with a black pen and the remaining part will be in the blue pen. Again I repeat, the heading should be with the black pen and the remaining thing will be with the blue pen. Apart from that, when your work will be given to you, you will copy the work with the black pen and the answer should be written with the blue pen. Again I repeat, heading should be with the black pen, remaining all will be given in the blue pen. Clear? Then when any exercises will be given to you, कुछ exercise मैं दूँगी करने के लिए, that exercise you will going to do it with your black pen and answer should be written with the blue pen.